If you're a millennial aspiring to achieve financial success and build wealth, this video is a must-watch. Make sure to stick with it until the very end for valuable insights. Let's have a reality check. How's your financial situation been lately? Is it looking good, or maybe not so much? Either way, we've got an exciting video for you today that's all about taking that crucial first step towards financial freedom. So, make sure to watch the video until the end because we've got 3 fantastic tips on how millennials can become wealthy. But before we dive in, we want to extend a huge thank you for choosing Luxo-Life and investing your time with us. We truly value you, and that's why we're committed to creating content that can genuinely help you on your path to success. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments, and help us reach an even wider audience by sharing it with others. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for being a part of the Luxo Lovers community. Now let's kick off today's video with the pitfalls of relying on 401k plans. We're about to unpack some serious concerns that have been buzzing in the financial world. First up, we're talking about 401k plans and why people are getting a bit twitchy about them. These plans can be as shaky as a roller coaster, especially when it comes to market crashes. And hey, did you know that the average balance for baby boomers is hanging at a pretty low $60,000? We'll dig into whether these concerns are legit and explore some potential alternatives that might just change the game. So, picture this. You've been putting your hard-earned money into a 401k, but you start hearing whispers about its vulnerability when the market takes a hit. What's the deal with that? And why are baby boomers who are inching closer to retirement sitting on such modest balances? It's all pretty eye-opening. Now, let's shift gears and take a closer look at something that hits close to home: the state of retirement savings. We're about to dive into some eye-opening statistics that can impact both baby boomers and millennials alike. When it comes to baby boomers, the numbers are painting a rather sobering picture. We're talking about a median retirement savings balance of just $60,000. Yep, that's right. With retirement on the horizon, this balance might feel like trying to cross the ocean in a paper boat. It's a situation that's making any of us sit up and take notice. What's even more striking is that a whopping 50% of Americans don't even have a 401k plan. Yes, you heard that right. Half the nation is missing out on a key retirement savings tool. It's a stark reminder that we're facing a serious retirement savings gap that needs some serious attention. Now, let's not get overwhelmed by these stats just yet. Instead, let's dissect what these numbers truly mean for our financial futures and explore some smart ways to bridge that retirement savings gap. Having said these, let's talk about 2 superpowers that every millennial needs in their financial toolkit: financial literacy and critical thinking. In the age of endless financial options and complex jargon, these skills are like our trusty compass guiding us through the financial jungle. First off, financial literacy is like your superhero origin story. It's all about understanding the financial landscape, from budgeting basics to investment intricacies. Imagine it as your financial GPS, helping you make informed decisions about your money. Whether it's deciphering credit scores, demystifying investments, or simply budgeting for your next avocado toast brunch, financial literacy is the key. Now, pair that up with critical thinking, your superpower to question, analyze, and dissect financial advice. It's your shield against falling for flashy promises and financial traps. You can think of it like your spidey sense tingling when something doesn't add up in a financial pitch. Critical thinking helps you separate the golden nuggets of wisdom from the fool's gold. But here's the thing, nobody is born a financial guru. We've got to level up our financial literacy and critical thinking skills. It's like acquiring new skills in your favorite video game. You start small and build your way up. It begins with reading books, taking online courses, or even chatting with a financial advisor. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to make smart financial moves. Plus, these skills are not just about managing your money, they're about securing your financial future. They're like the key to unlock the treasure chest of financial freedom, allowing you to save for retirement, invest wisely, and achieve your financial goals. But remember, it's not about being perfect. Financial literacy and critical thinking are about progress, not perfection. So, let's embrace the journey of becoming financially savvy. By honing these skills, we'll be better prepared to navigate the twists and turns of the financial world and avoid common money mistakes. Now let's talk about something exciting: alternative retirement savings options. Robert Kiyosaki is like the cool uncle who's always got fresh ideas up his sleeve, and he's suggesting some alternative routes to retirement savings that millennials should definitely explore. One option is real estate investing, which can be like leveling up your financial game. Think of it as investing in properties like rental apartments or homes. The beauty of real estate is that it often grows in value over time, and you can earn rental income. It's like having a side hustle that builds wealth for your future. Another avenue to consider is starting your own business. It's like embarking on a quest where you're the hero. Being an entrepreneur allows you to create your own financial destiny. While it comes with risks, it also offers the potential for substantial rewards. It's about thinking outside the traditional retirement savings box and building something for yourself. Then there's the world of stocks and investments. This isn't just for Wall Street types. It's like playing a strategic video game where you choose your own adventure. You can explore stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, and even venture into the world of cryptocurrencies. It's all about diversifying your investments to spread out the risk and potentially enjoy some juicy returns. And don't forget about entrepreneurship within the gig economy. Think of it as your side quest in the world of work. Freelancing, consulting, or turning your passion into a side hustle can generate extra income that you can stash away for retirement. It's about maximizing your skills and talents to bolster your financial future. Lastly, you can explore alternative retirement accounts like Roth IRA or a SEP IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and flexibility, making them great tools for saving for retirement while avoiding some of the limitations of a traditional 401k. Let's dive into a topic that's like the latest trending game: the impact of economic crises, as Robert Kiyosaki sees it. He's no stranger to financial wisdom, and his warning lights are flashing about what a prolonged economic crisis could mean, not just for us millennials, but for the whole financial world. It's like leveling up to face the ultimate boss in a video game, and being prepared is crucial. Kiyosaki is saying that economic crises today are different, more global, and can potentially drag on for a long time. Think 25 years or more. It's like playing an extended game mode where you need to strategize for the long haul. But here's the twist: it's not all doom and gloom. Economic crises can actually bring opportunities if you know how to navigate them. One thing he's critical about is the traditional advice we've all heard: get a high-paying job and stash your money away in a 401k. Kiyosaki's point is that in times of economic downturn, these strategies might not be your best allies. It's like realizing your go-to game character isn't the best choice for this particular level. You need a new game plan. He also raises valid questions about the competence of those managing 401k funds, citing examples like the Dallas Police Department's pension debacle. It's like realizing the game's referees might be making some questionable calls. So, the key here is to be financially savvy, to see through the smoke and mirrors, and to have a strategy that's adaptable to changing economic conditions. So, what's the strategy for financial resilience during uncertain economic times? It's like equipping your character with the best gear and leveling up their skills. It involves diversifying your investments, learning about alternative options like real estate or entrepreneurship, and staying informed about global economic trends. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving in the face of adversity. In this fast-paced, ever-changing financial game, being prepared, adaptable, and financially literate is how you can not only survive, but also thrive during economic crises. By thinking outside the box and being open to new strategies, you can level up your financial game and secure a brighter future, even in uncertain economic times. Now let's discuss the motives behind the 401k system. Kiyosaki suggests that there might be more to the 401k story than what meets the eye. So here's the scoop. According to Kiyosaki, when the 401k system was born, it wasn't exactly out of sheer goodwill towards workers. Nope, he argues that corporations were the real masterminds behind it, and their motive was simple: saving money. It's like discovering that your favorite gaming company introduced a new feature not because it's cool, but because it boosts their profits. Now, before we go all conspiracy theory, let's examine this claim. Kiyosaki's point is that the 401k system might not be the retirement savings superhero we thought it was. Instead, it could be more of a cost-cutting strategy for employers. But hold on, does that mean it doesn't serve workers at all? That's where things get interesting. Kiyosaki isn't saying the 401k system is entirely evil. Instead, he's encouraging us, the younger generation, to dig deeper and decode its true motives. It's like embarking on a quest in your favorite RPG game, where you need to uncover hidden treasures. By understanding the system better, we can make informed decisions about our financial future. Now, let's venture into the intriguing concept of the three-legged stool in retirement planning, shall we? Imagine this as our roadmap for financial security in the golden years, but it's undergone some serious transformations. Back in the day, this stool had 3 sturdy legs: savings, a defined benefit pension plan, and a defined contribution plan like a 401k or IRA. It was like having a solid foundation to rely on when the retirement chapter rolled around. But here's the twist. It seems like all 3 of those legs have done a disappearing act, leaving millennials with a wobbly stool. The savings leg, it's become a bit shaky as the cost of living keeps skyrocketing, and we're dealing with student loans and housing expenses that are nothing short of epic boss battles. And that defined benefit pension plan? Well, it's not as common as it once was. Many companies have shifted towards defined contribution plans, which means it's up to us to build our retirement savings. So, where does that leave us? In an era where the old-school retirement stool isn't quite holding up. It's like realizing the game we're playing has a different set of rules now. So here's the deal for all you Luxo lovers out there. It's time to be financially educated. Think of it as upgrading your skill tree in your favorite video game. Don't blindly follow the old playbook. Instead, make informed decisions that suit your unique financial journey. In a world where financial advice can sometimes be clouded by greed or fear, Kiyosaki is like our guide, urging us to think independently. It's like choosing your own path in an open-world adventure game. So, arm yourself with knowledge, stay curious, and don't let the changing financial landscape catch you off guard. By embracing this new era of retirement planning, we can still aim for a prosperous future, even without the traditional 3-legged stool. Before we leave, we want to give you 3 tips on how to be financially savvy as millennials. The first one is to take control of your financial future. Instead of relying solely on conventional advice, set clear financial goals, create a budget that suits your lifestyle, and explore smart investment options to level up your wealth game. Secondly, be a vigilant player in the financial world. Understand the role of financial institutions and be aware of potential conflicts of interest. Keep an eye out for hidden fees, explore alternative investment options, and ensure your financial advisors prioritize your best interests. Lastly, in these changing times, adaptability is key. Stay informed about financial trends, diversify your investments, and be ready to pivot when economic conditions shift. Being flexible in your financial strategy is like adjusting your game plan when the rules change. With these tips in your arsenal, you can work towards securing your financial future and achieving your dreams. And that's a wrap for today's video, Luxo lovers. We hope you've gained some valuable insights on securing your financial future. If you've learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends and family to help them level up their financial game too. And if you're new to Luxo-Life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you can stay updated with our latest tips and tricks for a brighter financial future. Thanks for joining us, Luxo lovers, and until next time, stay financially savvy.